Okay, this is a special exercise from Tai Chi or maybe from Qigong for your health and for your spirit, and you can do like this. And then like this, you should be turned around and look on your hand. And then you go with other hand and you go like this and like this, and then you turn around, and also your leg should be a bit like this. And then again. Like this. Like this. And then turn around. You should check your spine. Yeah, and you should make this movement as well. Yeah, maybe 15 times like this.